A new report shows that scammers account for more than half of login attempts on social media sites like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. An Alcos Labs report found that 53% of social media logins and 25% of new accounts were created by scammers. A key point of the report is the growing cost of cyberattacks and other cybercrimes, which are expected to damage the global economy by $6 trillion. Cyberattacks originate from the United States, Russia, the Philippines, the United Kingdom, and Indonesia. The report analyzed more than 1.2 billion transactions from April 1 to June 30. Is your personal information on the dark web? Make sure your identity isn't at risk.